Now, if we break this down into the 2 minute, this is also going to help either give you strength or weakness inside of your trade. That was the trend. Then it did this. Then there's no trend in here. It's flat. Then you would have drew a trend line and you would have went, this is garbage, right? And then like, is that a trend line? Is that your trend line? Right? If you're looking at overall trends, you see it going down. So if we start to look at trend lines to go with all of our other strategies, now look at this trend line for strength. Okay. So even if you started it here like this, look at that trend line. Is that bullish or bearish? So that's nice. And then you got another one right here. Bang, right? And then you got another one right here. But as this is going, you're like, holy crap. But do you see how all of this is starting to work in your favor? And then as you're drawing out your bigger line, time frame, it looks like this, right? When we get into here. So this thing, there we go. Right? It just keeps up, 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 never touching back down to VWAP. It never comes back to VWAP, right?